Hey there, fellow men. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into all things related to personal growth and self-improvement. Today, I have a very interesting topic to discuss that affects each and every one of us: emotions. Yes, emotions can be tricky to handle, but fear not, because in this video, I'll be sharing 5 incredible tips on how to control your emotions and lead a more balanced and fulfilled life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Recognize and identify your emotions. The first step in mastering your emotions is to recognize and identify them. Many times, emotions can be overwhelming and confusing, but acknowledging them is crucial. Take a moment to reflect on what you're feeling and why. Is it anger, sadness, or perhaps joy? Understanding your emotions will empower you to effectively manage them. Tip 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that can help you gain control over your emotions. By staying present in the moment and fully immersing yourself in your surroundings, you can prevent emotions from spiraling out of control. Take a deep breath, focus on the sensations around you, and let go of any negative thoughts. Trust me, practicing mindfulness will bring a sense of calm and clarity to your life. Tip 3. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, manage, and express your emotions effectively. By developing emotional intelligence, you'll be better equipped to handle challenging situations and maintain healthy relationships. Start by becoming more self-aware and empathetic towards others. This will not only strengthen your emotional resilience, but also enable you to navigate through life's ups and downs with grace. Tip 4. Utilize positive self-talk. Have you ever noticed how your inner dialogue can influence your emotions? Negative self-talk can heighten your stress levels and lead to a cascade of negative emotions. Switching to positive self-talk can make a world of difference. Replace self-criticism with self-encouragement and affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. Remember, you are in control of your thoughts, and positive self-talk can transform your emotional state. Tip 5. Engage in stress-relieving activities. Last, but certainly not least, engaging in regular stress-relieving activities can do wonders for controlling your emotions. Find a hobby or activity that brings you joy and helps you unwind. It could be anything from exercising, painting, listening to music, or spending time with loved ones. These activities act as a release valve, allowing you to release any built-up tension and maintain a positive emotional balance. That's it for today's video on controlling emotions. Remember to recognize and identify your emotions, practice mindfulness, develop emotional intelligence, utilize positive self-talk, and engage in stress-relieving activities. Implementing these tips will help you lead a more balanced and joyful life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out other videos on our channel for more personal growth and self-improvement content. Thanks for watching.